success. And now I'm going to show you how I did it. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Hey, welcome back everybody. Hey, today I'm just going to finish up on this Ninja Foodie air fryer. And the problem is this little diode right here has burnt out. And that's what's causing the problem. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you how I replace this. And then I'm going to have the other video play in reverse so you can see how to put it back together. I'm probably not going to narrate it. I'm going to put some music to it, and if you don't want the music, just mute the thing. But don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And as a bonus, if you're staying with me now, my email address is down in the description. When I ordered these things, let me see here. I had to order about 10 of them, I think. Let's see how many. Yeah, there's 10 in here. And I know a lot of you guys and gals like to fix your own stuff. So if you want to fix yours, if you will send me an email with a P.O. box or something, whatever you're comfortable sending, or if you don't want to do it, that's fine too. You can just order them yourself. And I can put one of these in an envelope and just mail it to you. I'll send it to you for free. That way you can try it, and if it works, fine. If not, then you ain't lost no money. But there's 10 of these in here, and I'm going to put one right here. I'm going to show you how I would do it, how I'm going to do it. And then you can do it however you want to do it. But I've got that, and I've got, let me see, in my pocket here, I took 2 of these out of my electrical box there where I've got a bunch of connectors. I'm just going to cut these off right here, and I'm going to use this part. I'm not using the blue plastic part. I'm taking that off. Okay, so I took the little plastic part off, so I've just got the metal piece, and I'm going to take my snips and cut it off right there, so I just have this piece. So I'm just going to do that right there. Just going to cut it off right there. And now if I don't drop it and lose it, that's what I've got. So now I'm going to do one more like that, because I need 2, one for each end. Okay, and there's number 2. So now I got 2 of them. So now I'm going to cut this out. But one thing you want to make sure you do, as you can see, it's kind of squared off on one end and tapered on the other end. You want to match it up with this one and do the same thing. You want to have it the same way. Okay? So now that I know the white side goes on the flat part, I'm just going to cut this off about right here. And I'm going to leave enough space to put my connector on there. And I'm going to do the same thing over here. I'm going to leave enough room to put my connector on. Okay. And now, I may not need all that, so let's see, I'm going to trim this up just a little bit. I trimmed it up a little bit to make it match what the other one was. Now I'm going to slide this on here. Slide it on there like that. You probably should use better crimpers. This is what I have. I don't know, the kids must have wandered off with my tools, because I can't find any of my electrical tools, man. Oh man. So we're going to put this in here like this. And we're going to put that in there like that. And then I'm going to crimp it. And that is pretty good. So now I'm going to do the other side. The red side is the red and the black, I guess you could say. Slide that in there. Come right out right there, so I know it's all the way through. I'm going to put this piece in there. Now I'm going to crimp it. And now that's done. Now I'm going to put this plastic sleeve back over the whole thing right here. It goes right back over the whole thing. And I'm pushing this wire this way. I don't want to pull it that way because it could potentially pull apart. I don't want to do that. So I'm just going to keep doing this till I get it on there. Okay, so now what you want to do is put it back in the holder up here. And the way you do that is you watch the rest of the video. I'm going to show you how to put this back in here and put it back in this clip, and then the rest of the video will be reassembling this. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. And if you would like one of these, you can email me at the email address down below, and I will send it. I've got 9 left today, so when I don't have any more left, I'll probably put a notice on the video in the description that out of stock. So anyway, thanks for watching again. You guys have a awesome day, and I'll have another video for you soon. Guarantee it. Now watch the rest of this video on how to put this thing back together.
Quando o sol se pôs, pensei em nós dois. Foi a alma que morreu. Tudo escureceu bem ao meio-dia. Foi no apogeu. Quem diria que seria o fim de você e eu? Mas quando eu olho nos olhos, é tudo bem diferente. A boca fala, mas o coração não mente. O amor é uma teoria explicada por gente. Não parece nem um pouco com o que a gente sente. Se foi uma ilusão, porque some o chão. Foi um sonho que morreu. Se o que acabou nunca existiu,